That's awesome. No, that's really good. And I think right out of the gate, Corey, what I'd like to maybe understand is, you got your business going, 15 years ago, made a decision, 5 years ago to start working with SAP Business One. Could you describe a little bit of the thought process around why New Intelligence started working with SAP Business One as an ERP platform?
Yeah, absolutely. So about 5 years ago, we started working with a customer that was running SAP Business One, and it was a brand new implementation that we had to get involved with. And learning about their system, we had to build an analytics platform or a reporting platform to just make things easier for them. And the manual work that they were doing in order to get the information ready for them to be able to analyze was, a lot of effort. And it took them probably about 5 to 6 days per month in order to get the information ready to be able to consume from a reporting perspective. And what we did is we tried to automate that process by extracting the information from SAP Business One and being able to put it into a format that allowed them to report in an easier fashion. And we were able to basically eliminate the timeline of those 5 to 6 days that it was taking on a monthly basis to basically allowing them to do that probably in about a 15-minute window, 20-minute window on a daily basis. So rather than them waiting for the information 5 or 6 days into the month, they were able to get that information in a pretty real-time perspective or on a nightly basis or however often they wanted to refresh it. But again, they didn't have to wait till the end of the month to be able to get information on how the organization was going. Now, when we started looking at SAP Business One, we looked at it as an opportunity for us because we looked in the market and seeing what other customers were doing and what other challenges these other customers were having. And as we started speaking to some of those customers, we were basically preaching to the choir in regards to some of the challenges that they were having. And when we started creating it for one customer, the platform became very, very similar in nature as we were going to various customers. So it wasn't us having to reinvent the wheel. We were basically able to take the information that we had done and the platform that we had created and be able to, reproduce that on a regular ongoing basis.